That is literally a fortress on the end of a mountain, like right on the edge. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video. Today, I'm just going to go over another Doordash, but today, so actually I got to leave my house right now, go get some chicken food. The chickens are hungry and we don't have any food for them, so naturally chickens need to get some more food. But what I'm going to do is I'm logging into Doordash like I always do whenever I need to go anywhere, and if I get a convenient order that's on the way and can help pay off the chicken food that I'm about to buy, then I'll accept it, and if I don't, then today is going to be a Doordashless vlog, basically. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Markley. I do a lot of extreme sports stuff, podcasts, and we do a daily dash, which is where I basically drive around once a day and do a DoorDash order or two, and in the process we talk about some interesting things. So we just got our first order. It's actually an order to McDonald's. It goes the opposite direction of which I need it to go, because I need to go north to the like chicken store, basically. So basically we're just gonna wait around. Hopefully we get an order that is directly on the way, which is my favorite thing to do, is just log in. If you get an order and it's on the way and you can make like 15 bucks or something, then do it, because who doesn't like extra money? So today could be an interesting vlog, could be a not interesting vlog. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. We got lots of crazy different things coming up in the future, and give this video a like. I really appreciate it, and I've been seeing a lot more likes and my channel has been doing a lot better. So if you can, just give it a like, and if you don't want to see my video on your like list, then no worries at all. You can just watch the vlog. So we're on our way. We're in Las Vegas. It is 93 degrees out. Finally, not like insanely hot, because it was like insanely hot all summer. I have not dealt with heat like this my entire life, because anytime, either when I lived in LA or when I lived in Vegas, I always was able to avoid the heat and basically go do shows either at like Cedar Point in Ohio, which is where I performed for like 8 years, and also in Minnesota. I performed at Valley Fair, so I've always been able to skip the hot summers and then come back when it's not so ridiculously hot. Today's question of the day is, what kind of car do you guys drive? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to see what is the most popular car that people are driving around, whether they're doing DoorDash, or if it's your daily driver, or whether it's like a new car that you barely want to drive, or whether you just bought this brand new Lamborghini and it's something that you just drive up and down the coast, or whatever you want to say. Just let me know in the comments down below what kind of car you guys drive. I personally drive a Ford Explorer. Before this I had a Tesla Model 3 and a Ford Focus ST, but now we got the Ford Explorer Sport, because I needed stuff to tow. I needed to be able to tow at least 6,000 pounds because of my stunt show stage. It was very heavy, and we were going to be doing shows right now, but unfortunately COVID, and we are not doing shows. We're making videos of me driving around, doing DoorDash, picking up chicken food. Random as hell. Alright, so I'm gonna go get this chicken food, and hopefully, well, I'll let you guys know if we get an order on the way. So for those of you who are interested and wondering about how much money I make just by doing 1 or 2 DoorDash orders a day, I typically make about 15 to anywhere from 15 to 35, maybe sometimes even $40 a day by just logging into DoorDash whenever I'm like going or coming from the house, or whether I typically do it, especially when I'm like leaving the gym. I will just wait in my car for a couple minutes, get an order, do it on the way home, make 10 bucks real quick. But that does add up over time. So anywhere from, like, if I'm doing it, let's say 5 to 6 days a week, 20 bucks, it adds up to about 100. I would say I average about $100 to $150 per week, like literally just DoorDashing whenever I get like a nice convenient order. I never really do orders that are like super far out of the way. I just don't really need to make too much money on DoorDash. It's not really like a big money issue for me nowadays. It used to be though. When I first moved to Vegas, like that was my full-time job, and I was literally doing like Postmates like crazy, because I just took out this gigantic loan to pay for my stunt show stage, and it was a shit show because I was literally doing Postmates like 8 to 10 hours a day because I refused to get a normal job because, I mean, like, I kind of felt like I'd be giving up on my business if I was to just like get a normal job. I would just not have the time. And plus, the great thing about running 3 businesses is like whenever I'm doing DoorDash, I can just run my businesses. If I get an email or if I need to make changes to the website or any of that good stuff, I can do it all from my phone, and I can do it all while I'm sitting around making extra money. So that is the beautiful thing about like Uber and Lyft and DoorDash and Postmates and Grubhub. I personally wouldn't do Uber and Lyft because I don't want people in my car, and it doesn't really like allow me to run my business and stuff if I have people in my car, because obviously I would be on my phone. Don't text and drive. I'm not talking about texting and drive. I'm just saying when I'm like sitting around waiting for an order, who doesn't want to make a little bit of extra money and manage your businesses or whatever you got to do in the spare time? To me, it's like the ultimate side hustle. I know a lot of people, especially a lot of people I see in the comments, would think the same thing. If you want to just make a little bit of extra money, like 20 to 50 bucks a day, this is the perfect thing to do, especially if you just log in during like lunch or dinner time hours, because you can make pretty good money. Like the other day, I made 40 bucks an hour just by delivering, I think it was 4 orders or something like that. So I mean, that's pretty good extra money. That'll pay for all your expenses throughout the day, unless you're out buying crazy expensive bags or something like that. Country store. All right, gotta buy some chicken food for the full-grown chickens and a little bit of chick food for the little baby chickens we got. We got like 1-month-old chickies that are still in the bedroom, but we'll be going out pretty soon. Yo, all right, real quick update. Just got the chicken food. We are actually, so I just accepted an order from a juice place. It's actually $1 a mile. It's 12 bucks, 12 miles. But I'm already gonna drive 4 miles back to my house, so that takes away 4. And it's actually right next to the gym. And I like to go to the gym first thing in the morning. Like, I pretty much work out from 10 to 11 every single day, as I have for years, and I usually like to work out later than day after I've ate something. So first in the morning, I go and like intermittent fast and get it like quick workout. I usually do like 1 muscle group, like just 1 different workout for each muscle group, and then later in the daytime I go and I lift heavier weights. So it's actually right next to the gym, so it's actually super convenient, which is exactly why I'm making this video, because DoorDash can be a super convenient way to make easy extra money without barely going out of your way. And this is literally like completely on the way that I need to go if I need to go to the gym. So perfect little drive. Gonna pick up this order. I've actually never been there before, so real quick, they are trying to add on another order, which is an extra 4.5 miles out of the way for another $4. Doesn't really make any sense for me to do that, so I'm gonna hit a decline. I'm usually pretty picky about my orders because I literally just do it when it's convenient. So we're gonna decline that and get this order. Pulling up to the mall right now. It is at the mall located on the 215 and the Las Vegas Boulevard. One of my favorite malls, actually. It's super nice, outdoor mall. It's all usually where I go and park if I ever need to get any DoorDash orders. All right, let's roll in. Yo, this order was $140. I did not even realize that until I like actually got here. And then I realized, oh my God, this is gonna be a humongous order, which means hopefully we get a gigantic tip. But yeah, after the other day's video, I am not going to expect any tips. And if we do get one, then it's amazing. And if not, whatever, I was gonna do it for 12 bucks anyways. So we are literally in by far the richest area of Vegas. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but check out these gigantic houses on the hill. Like, we are in a freaking mansion place. But yeah, it seems like a lot of people who live in these places don't like to leave their house, and they just get a lot of DoorDash orders. So I find myself coming to these areas a lot. There's like another one that's super rich in Summerlin, but oh my God, look at these houses. Okay, like seriously, check this out. That is a fortress. That's literally fortresses on the side of a mountain. Oh my God. Okay, so, but out of respect to the customer, I'm not gonna film anymore. So I will let you guys know when I'm done. But oh my God, here's another crazy one. These places are insane. Biggest houses in Vegas, for sure. Yeah, this is insane. All right, dropping off the order, pull up to the street right now. Just dropped off the order. That was definitely a professional football player that plays for the Raiders. I don't pay attention to football, so I don't know who it was, but he had like a bunch of Raiders stuff, and he was gigantic and definitely was a football player. And plus we're in by far the richest area of Vegas. Like, oh my God, okay. So I'm gonna put the camera away, but just because I like to drive around and like check out the houses, and I think I'm gonna call the video right there, because definitely gonna get a big tip. Well, at least he said he was gonna give me a big tip, but I don't wanna call him out, and if he doesn't, then that's chill anyways. But oh my God, these houses are insane. Like, these are people's yards, and like, it's crazy because this is definitely a new area in Vegas, because there's so many houses that are still being built. Not really sure exactly where it is, but you can probably see from the map. If you checked at the beginning, this is in Henderson. It's crazy. Anyways, I'm not gonna ramble on too much more. I am going to hit the gym, and I did order some food from Buffalo Wild Wings, which is right next to the gym. So we're gonna call it right there. But if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate it, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it at all. And if not, then you can hit that thumbs down button, but don't do that if you don't want to. All right, we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. All right, real quick before you guys go, check this out. I think you guys could see that. If not, it is a $34 dash. I just got another 2 orders that both delivered to the really expensive rich area that I was delivering to, and a total of another 20 something dollars. Super stoked. Yeah, this is why you're always logged in, because they were short. It was like, I didn't want to film it because I was already kind of tired of filming around, but super short orders. Got another 20 something dollars. Now I'm about to drive back. It's only been an hour or so since I started. All right, peace out guys, have a good one.